genetically modified humans. They may seem like a thing contained to the realm of science fiction, but with the recent development of CRISPR or Cas9 technology, we can expect to see them implicated into the real world. Today we have an expert on the topic of genetic engineering. So what exactly is genetic engineering, or CRISPR-Cas9 technology?
Well, CRISPR is a technology that was developed around 2012 and has only been getting better and better ever since. What CRISPR does is allows for a protein called Cas9 to find a mutated DNA-based sequence, or targeted DNA sequence. Once found, CRISPR will cut this out, deleting it entirely from existence. Once it is cut, the DNA is replaced with a custom-made RNA sequence or strand, totally ensuring that nothing can go wrong whatsoever.
Sir, doesn't this have the possibility to go wrong and make mistakes?
Well, you see, maybe some.
2018, scientist H.O.D.M used CRISPR to edit the genome of an embryo. He later implanted the embryo into a woman. She then gave birth to twins named Lula and Nana. The twins became the first people ever to have their cells genetically modified before birth. His edits made changes to the CCR5 gene. His edits made the twins immune to diseases like HIV and cholera. This technology has been used on people who are already born. For example, in organ transplants, oftentimes the new organ is rejected. CRISPR has already been used to edit stem cells to help correct this issue. According to Future Science, though currently used, CRISPR technologies aren't being utilized to enhance a healthy individual's strength. They do have the ability to restore to those who are lacking. This quote refers to those with genetic disease. So far, things seem to be looking up for the new technology. What potential does this pose for our society today?
With this new advancement in technology, there sure is a whole lot of potential. For example, this technology is relatively new, and it seemed to have worked with the twins in China. With technology only getting safer, there's a lot to look forward to. We can use this technology to not only just cure HIV, but we can also use it for any other kind of genetic disease or problem. This includes mitochondrial disease, which you would no longer have a need for a donor. It will also help with things like Down syndrome, DMD, dyslexia, and ADHD. The possibilities are virtually endless. What's even better is that this can be done before your very eyes, no matter the age. However, as this technology advances, more controversy comes with it. For instance, if people decide to implicate this, they could literally customize their own baby, determining their skin color, eye color, size that they will grow up to be, and even what gender they are. Anything you can think of could be changed. As people start to make changes, stretching experimentation ever so further, accidents are bound to happen. It might be likely that the amount of time needed is not given to scientists. Rushed science could create mutations and could end up making everything worse than it was before. Then we have to start taking social backlash into account. If a child was genetically modified, it is unclear how we can expect the world to treat them. This will take social judgment and inequality to a whole new level.
Genetic engineering in humans has taken a huge leap in the last 8 years with the development of CRISPR. It has opened the doors for rapid evolution in humans. According to Brian Armstrong, genetic engineering could be viewed as a historical event on par with the Cambrian explosion. It has the ability to help millions of those with genetic disease. Also in full swing are the skeptics, who believe that this technology could make mistakes and end up being a burden to society rather than a lifesaver. They say that the social impact would be too large for humanity to handle. Who's right? Only time will tell.